Welcome back to my channel, guys. Yes, so today's video we're gonna talk about observation. All right, observation is one of the key thing in animal rearing. You know, just observe your animal as they feed, so you will see who has any problem or sickness. If they are not grasping the grass as they should, or they look lame or something, you can know something is wrong. So guys, once you're in good farming, you know, take the time out of your busy schedule to observe your animal, even for like 15 minutes per day as they feed, you know. Yes, yeah, man. Remember to like, share, subscribe to Lucian Goat Farm, and all you guys who have been supporting my channel. One love, you know. Just keep subscribing and supporting Lucian Goat Farm.